I used to think receptors were just those things that help you connect to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Just a techie term, right? But it turns out your body is packed with its own hotspots, and they're way more important than you might think. Imagine your cells as tiny, bustling cities, each with their own security systems and communication hubs. These are your body's receptors, and they're working 24/7 to keep everything running smoothly. Receptors are like little locks scattered all over the surfaces of your cells. They're specialized proteins, each designed to recognize and respond to specific signals. And medicines? Well, think of them as the keys, each one crafted to fit a particular lock. When the right key finds its matching lock, it can unlock a whole cascade of changes inside your body. When a drug fits perfectly into its receptor, it's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, your heart rate might slow down, your allergies could calm, or that throbbing pain might finally ease up. Some drugs even help your body regulate blood sugar or fight off infections, all by targeting the right receptors. There are tons of different receptor types out there. Some respond to neurotransmitters, which are the brain's messengers, while others are tuned into hormones, the body's chemical signals. Each receptor has a unique job, helping your body react to everything from stress to sugar to sleep. Let's break it down a bit more. There are 4 main types of receptors in pharmacology. First, we have ion channel receptors. Think of them as automatic doors that open or close to let charged particles in or out of the cell. Next, G-protein coupled receptors, or GPCRs, which act like relay stations passing messages from the outside to the inside of the cell. Then there are enzyme-linked receptors, which trigger chemical reactions inside the cell when activated. And finally, intracellular receptors, which are found inside the cell and respond to signals that can slip through the cell membrane, like steroid hormones. For example, when you take a painkiller like morphine, it targets opioid receptors. These are GPCRs in your brain and spinal cord. When activated, they block pain signals, giving you relief. Or consider insulin, which binds to enzyme-linked receptors on your cells, helping glucose enter and fuel your body. Beta blockers, used for high blood pressure, work by blocking beta-adrenergic receptors, slowing your heart rate and reducing blood pressure. But it's not just about drugs. Your body's own chemicals, like adrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin, are constantly interacting with receptors to control your mood, energy, and even your fight or flight response. It's like a massive, invisible control panel, with each receptor acting as a button or switch. Here's another cool analogy. Imagine a busy airport. The receptors are like the gates, and the drugs or natural chemicals are the passengers. Only the right passenger with the right ticket can board the right plane. If the ticket doesn't match, no entry. Sometimes, drugs act as agonists, meaning they activate the receptor, just like the body's own chemicals. Other times, they're antagonists, blocking the receptor and preventing activation. For example, antihistamines are antagonists that block histamine receptors, stopping allergy symptoms in their tracks. Understanding receptors is crucial in pharmacology because it helps scientists design better, safer medicines. By knowing exactly which receptor to target, we can create drugs that are more effective and have fewer side effects. So next time you hear about receptors, remember, they're the gatekeepers of pharmacology, making sure only the right messages get through. Whether it's fighting pain, controlling blood sugar, or calming allergies, it all comes down to these tiny but mighty proteins. Keep it locked in, Pharma